Automation is a powerful tool to help you get your products to market faster. Developed for the furniture and joinery industries, SWOOD Centre respects the traditional discipline of woodworking to bring together all the aspects of the SWOOD design, CAM, nesting and reporting modules. This module integrates with SOLIDWORKS and the core SWOOD offerings to introduce a top-level control to the SOLIDWORKS task pane that enables the configuration and automation of SWOOD objects and features. SWOOD Centre comes in two versions, Configurator and Service. The Configurator allows you to manipulate and adapt designs based on linked parameters and can be used to control top-level room layouts with single or multiple frames, so changing materials, components or connectors is made even more accessible. SWOOD Centre Configurator gives the flexibility to control design variations with simple tick boxes and dimensions that can be driven by script and logic and extend to both frames and SWOOD boxes, all of which can be tailored to the demands of your project. SWOOD Centre Service provides additional functionality in the form of automation, driving intelligent parameters through an automated API system. You can manage designs from a customizable interface without ever opening SWOOD or SOLIDWORKS with the SWOOD Centre Service. This interface can be linked to multiple external sources, including ERP systems, databases, and online configurators, allowing parameters to be modified to generate variations of designs while populating reports for manufacturing, quoting, and purchasing. Designers and engineers trust SOLIDWORKS and SWOOD to inform their design decisions, and as part of the TriMech Group, we support them throughout their product development journey. Learn more about each SWOOD product in demonstrations around our website or book your own private demo to see how SWOOD can help you reduce costs and enhance your design process.